Stocks are higher this morning, yields are higher this morning, and the dollar is tracking lower. And all of that combined is helping risk assets in general. As I speak to you right now, the Russell is up 1.57%. The NASDAQ up just over 1%. The S&P just over 0.75%. And the Dow almost 0.7%. A little bit lower than it was off the open, but still tracking higher and holding in pretty steadily. Yields, as I mentioned, are higher. We've got the 2-year up 4 basis points at 3.17. This, of course, is on the yield side. 5-year up 5 basis points at a 3.10 yield. The 10-year up 5 basis points at about 2.98. And the 30-year up 4 basis points at 3.14. Still an inverted yield curve. 2s 30s inverted by 3 basis points. 2s 10s inverted by 19 basis points. And the 5s 10s inverted by 12 basis points. Those are basically flat versus where they were at the close on Friday. Now, Goldman Sachs had a very strong earnings report, so that's helping the market, certainly helping Goldman stocks. But we're having a broad commodity rally as well. That's why I say risk assets are pretty much all on the rise. Crude is up over 4%. Copper is up just short of 4%. Aluminum's higher, corn is higher, wheat is higher, soybeans are higher. All higher as we watch the dollar fall almost 1% against the euro, almost 1.2% against the pound, 75 basis points against the Aussie, 0.7% against the Canadian dollar, and 0.25% even against the yen. So dollar weak across the board. Not dramatic, but it's dramatic to see the dollar weaker with yields higher. Now, looking ahead, earnings today after the close, we've got IBM amongst a couple of other smaller names. Tomorrow before the open, Johnson & Johnson, Lockheed Martin, Novartis, and Halliburton. Obviously, there's others as well. A couple of central bank speakers tomorrow. Governor Andrew Bailey from the Bank of England, as well as Fed Governor Lael Brainerd, she's also the Fed Vice Chair. And then on the economic calendar tomorrow, we have UK employment data, Euro area inflation data, and US housing starts and building permits.